Landscaping in shady areas of your garden can always be a challenge because we actually have fewer options when it comes to plant material. One approach that's good to take is to focus on texture, because a lot of times we're just having leaf surfaces or leaf colors or leaf shapes that we're trying to feature in a shade garden. I think one of the best choices you can make in Louisiana is this giant tractor seat plant, and you can see the leaves actually look like an antique tractor seat. This is Farfugium, and sometimes you also might see it sold as leopard plant because other varieties have yellow variegated spots in the leaves. This large variety though is going to make the best show in your garden, in your shade garden, because it's got height. Later in the year, towards the fall, it might even throw up these nice yellow blooms, which is a nice little delicacy for late season pollinators as well. Another plant that would do great in a shade garden is this gold dust plant, or a cuba. Now this and the Farfugium have been around in the nursery trade for many years, decades even, and they've been old standbys in Louisiana. But sometimes older plants get overlooked and we forget how useful they are. But this cuba has this wonderful yellow variegation that really shows up in a dark, shady garden. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.